The new way now is bolt on, one bolt with 2 cams to hold the knife in tight, and can be easily swapped over during smoko break, 10 minutes worth, so a lot more user friendly. Operators can do it themselves.
Works out cheaper in the long run anyway, because the downtime's the biggest factor. So I can lose 3 hours. That could be anywhere from 100, 300, 400 tonne. So with these blades I'll be up and running in half an hour. Away I go.
What we found with them is the new inserts are sort of quick to interchange where we're needed. We don't necessarily need field service to do it. We can do it ourselves.
Get them. Easy as. It's just a hassle. As you see your knife edges break off, you're still running, so you're running until they come to fix them. And then, so in that meantime you've got holes in your knives, you're missing branches and things get a little bit rough. Whereas that, as soon as it's broken, changed, done. And they're clean logs again.
All new Woodsmans, 750s, 850s and our new Finnings 560s come out with interchangeable knife inserts.